We'll have a work cut out here, but she's a redoubtable competitor.
Ikereka ria gatatu ria mahenya ma IAAF Diamond League riracokererio tuku umuthi mucini wa Stockholm bururi-ini wa Sweden. Gukwa Kenya kihiri magitanyo guthie na mbere kwandikithia maumirira mega thiini wa mahenya maya.
Hassan second, then to
Joru ihenya-ini ria arume ria mita 1500 George Manang'oi egukorwo na gibarua kiritu gukwa gitetera uhotani wake wa ihenya riri uria aiyukiri ikereka-ini ria Doha kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu gukwa king'ethanira na murunawe Timothy Cheruiyot uria ugukorwo akigeria kumutunyukithia uhotani uyu.
we'll have a work cut out here, but she's a redoubtable
Cheruiyot na Manang'oi ni maratanyo ng'ethaniri munene kuma kuri Ihenya Manang'oi muru wa nyina munini wa George Manang'oi no rio koretwo akiambatira na gikiro kinene thiini wa mahenya ma ateng'eri mari rungu rwa miaka 20 undu umwe na ateng'eri a nyina umwe Henrik, Philip na Jacob Ingebretson kuma bururi-ini wa Norway.
we'll have a work cut out here, but she's a redoubtable competitor.
Mwena-ini wa Nyarari naguo maitho mothe megukorwo hari Joru ihenya-ini ria mita 5000 Helen Obiri thutha wake kwandikithio hotani ihenya-ini ria mita 3000 ikereka-ini ria Doha na kuria aratanyo ng'ethaniri munene kuma kuri arunake Agnes Tirop, Margaret Chelimo na Lilian Kasait aria makoretwo makiandikithia maumirira mega mahenya-ini maya.
we'll have a work cut out here, but she's a redoubtable competitor.
Ateng'eri aya marahuthira mahenya maya kwihariria ni undu wa mahenya manene ma World Championship mweri-ini wa kenda mucini wa Doha bururi-ini wa Qatar.
Hassan's trying to get there. Look how strong Obiri is. She's gonna win.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithe Fethi.
Hassan second, then to